So hello guys and welcome to Tech Checks tutorial. Today we're gonna talk about how to get your account back here in Monopoly Go. So it's a step-by-step guide to follow easily. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into this. So basically, if you have lost your account, remember that the guest, if you have registered as a guest, won't be able to retrieve your account since it is only temporary. So next here is just gonna tap on the three lines, then head on to your settings. So basically all you have to do is press customer service. It will redirect you to another page, and as you can see here, you can press any type of article. So how can I contact customer support? So you can just scroll down and then chat with us basically, and there you go. And then you can chat with them in their support. Just state your business and your account that you have to recover it basically. So there you go guys, that is how you try to recover your account here in Monopoly Go. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you again next time. Thank you for watching this video.